There are many wheelchair products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wheelchairs from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Karman 24 Wheelchair. Rating 4.4. Fixed armrest with wide cushion arm pads. Overall length 28 inches. Folded height 29 inches. Swing in away removable footrest. Adjustable height footplates with heel loops. Back height 19 inch. The backrest pouch is attached to the upholstery, folding backrest, and folding seat for easy traveling. The braking mechanism is very conveniently located for the person sitting in the chair, since it's on the left-hand side and within easy reach. The LT980 incorporated handbrakes at the wheel of the chair, so that the user could activate them if needed. Number 4. Drive a medical wheelchair. Rating 4.5. These cutting-edge wheelchairs for adults and seniors make independent mobility enjoyable via specialized features. Just 41 pounds, the portable wheelchair folds to a compact 12.5-inch width for transport or storage. This transport wheelchair features durable tires enhanced with push-to-lock functionality for added safety. The model features an 18-inch seat, swing-away footrests, and flip-back desk arms, easy to push with solid yet lightweight wheels. This single-axle wheelchair is easy to maneuver and fits through most doorways. The lightweight wheelchair features padded desk-style arms that make it easier to sit at a desk or table, and flip back for transfer. Swing-away footrests are removable. Number 3. Medline Lightweight Wheelchair. Rating 4.5. Lightweight 26 pounds, folding transport chair for adults. Has a sturdy aluminum frame, 300 pounds weight capacity. Enhanced safety features. Easy to squeeze hand brakes and rear wheel manual locking brakes allow for safe and secure transfers. The compact design folds easily with a swing-away footrest that locks in place for convenient storage and transport in the car trunk. No assembly is required with easy clean nylon fabric. Number 2. Wallaby Pediatric Wheelchair. Rating 4.6. Inspired by Drive's pediatric Wallaby wheelchair with a 14-inch seat, features swing-away footrests, calf strap, pelvic belt, and flip-back padded desk arms for easy transfers. Height-adjustable handles. Push handles easily move up or down to match the caregiver's height. Foldable. The Wallaby folding wheelchair for kids easily folds down for transport or storage. WC19 bus transit compliant. For users between 50 and 80 pounds when used with headrest extension, standard transit brackets included. Number 1. Drive Medical DFL19 Wheelchair. Rating 4.6. Compact and easy to push. This folding transport wheelchair for adults weighs just 16.2 pounds without footrests and 18.9 pounds, making it one of the most lightweight transport chairs on the market. Portable. Transport chair folds flat and compactly to easily store in the trunk or back seat. A great travel wheelchair for adults. This transport chair for adults features a safety belt and rear wheel locks to secure the chair when at rest. Padded armrests provide comfort, as do tool-free, height-adjustable footrests. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.